Is this the most underrated Japanese barbecue in Thailand? If you're looking for tasty food in Bangkok, be sure to check out Gyu Kaku. This is a restaurant serving authentic Japanese yakiniku. You can get delicious beef wagyu, brisket, sirloin, and much more. There are also hundreds of side dishes. Everything can be cooked perfectly on the charcoal grill. And there are also lots of dipping sauces and marinades. So if you're looking for some great Japanese food in Bangkok, check out Gyu Kaku Japanese BBQ, which is located at the Mega Bangna shopping mall. We paid 729 baht per person for this buffet. Also, this is not a sponsored post.